Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to tie a bridal round gele, so watch carefully. You make 7 to 8 pleats and place in front of your head. Our measurement for today is 90-10. Then the length of the fabric is length 75, as you all know by now. That is it. When you're done, you cross at the back. That's our 10 there. Now we go over to take the remaining part of the 90 and make 4 pleats and place round the head and pin at the back. So watch and see how it's done. Can you see it? You can pin more than once to ensure that it's properly secured. Now when you're done taking your 4 pleats round the head and pinning at the back, you proceed to start taking your normal pleats. Just watch and see how I do it. You're going to remove everything that is going to obstruct you. Then you push all the fabrics, you gather all the fabric in front before you start making your pleats. You can make your pleats up to down or down to up. Just watch and see. You see how we've done it. That's how you proceed round the head until you're done. Now when you're done making your pleats up to the back, you go ahead to start pulling. Pulling is what is going to give your gele height. If not, it's going to be very flat. You pull from both sides, this particular side and the other side. When you're pulling from the other side, you have to be careful. You draw it out carefully. And when you're pulling, ensure that it doesn't break. So when it gets to the point that it wants to break, you stop. You pull to your desired height. That's pending if it doesn't break. You understand? Then you pin at the back. Before you pin at the back, you hold all your pleats very tight. Then you twist. So now we are going to do a makeshift. I pin it to the mannequin head, but if you have an assistant, you can tell the person to hold it for you at the back while you go and make finishing touches before covering the back properly. Now your gele is not supposed to be flat like that. It's supposed to look like this on your left hand side. Ensure that everything is in place, everything is well pleated when making your finishing touches. Can you see our gele is coming into shape? We're almost done. Now you go ahead to cover the back properly and neatly. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not. At this point, they took the light, so I just had to record it like that. So sorry guys for this quality. I just wanted to show everything as it is. This is our finished look, guys.
change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night.
Please guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. See how beautiful our Gele is. This is the final look. Thank you so much guys.